Hi, I'm Jo from JHLeather, and today is a really exciting day for me because we are launching our first ever branded merchandise. So you may have seen me sporting this fine hoodie in the last few videos that I have put out on the channel, and this is the first sort of design that we're going to be offering. So I've had this vintage logo created especially for this launch of this merchandise, and I love it, and I hope you do too. It's going to be available in both the large logo like this one and in a small logo as well. And it's not just these hoodies that we're offering, we are also going to be offering zipped hoodies as well. Now I did put a poll out and I know some of you were after them, so I have delivered on the zipped hoodies. Now these feature just the small logo here, and yeah, they are a little bit larger than the standard unisex hoodies that we have, but all the sizes and the sort of measurements are available on the website for you to see, so you can make sure you get the correct size that you are looking for. So it's not just the hoodies that we're offering, we're also offering both men's and women's fit t-shirt with the large vintage logo as well as the small logo. So the company that I'm using for these products is a company called Spring. Now I'm not affiliated with them, but they are able to integrate quite well with YouTube, which is why I chose them, as well as the fact that they offer a print-on-demand service, so I don't need to keep any of these items in stock, and they'll be printed once your orders have been placed. And they also offer worldwide shipping, which is ideal, so wherever you are in the world, you can look as cool as I do. Yeah, so that is the sort of first sort of look at all this merchandise. So they are available to order now, and like I said, there will be links in the description below, as well as everywhere that I can post the links to. And so yeah, I really do hope that you like what they are, and I'm hopefully going to be looking at adding some new sort of designs throughout 2022, and maybe some more products as well, depending on what you guys like and sort of the feedback that I get. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video, and head down to the links below to pick up your awesome merchandise, and I shall see you in the next video.